community. This is Emilia Sapo, the funded proposer of Catalyst Outreach for the Unreached in Ghana project in Catalyst Eco Challenge. We just had our second workshop in completion of the milestone 2 of the project. This is about creating awareness and educating orphans in Ayena village in Ghana about Cardano blockchain project catalyst opportunities and something about wallet opening. Right now we had a good time with them. We have completed the workshop on the second milestone, and we had a good time with the kids. They appreciated it and they are going to use it in future. 5 of them registered on IdeaScale and Yoroi wallets because most of them are not having phones, they are orphans, but in the very near future they can get more involved in Project Catalyst. But they have appreciated it, and thanks to Cardano Project Catalyst for funding this project. We are grateful. Thank you. The following video covers the entire project. Thank you. Mr. Nat Ramona will tell you about Cardano Project Catalyst, how it works, and how you can benefit, if not now, in the future. In the first place, you call Mr. Nat Ramona to come and educate you on Cardano blockchain project Catalyst.
How many of us have heard of the word before? Blockchain. Okay. But we are all familiar with what we say technology, right?
Yes.
How many of us use WhatsApp? Not for yourself, even if you have assisted somebody on WhatsApp before. Okay, that is. How many of us use email? Emails. Okay, come and submit it as a user. It goes through 3 levels. We have proposal submission, and then we have the proposal, you submit it. We have the review, and then we have the voting. Now, your idea, the blockchain operates as a DAO, especially on the Cardano blockchain, and they are welcoming ideas from brilliant individuals to just make sure that it aligns with Cardano's blockchain's mission to helping the world, especially those who are marginalized, to have what we call to join the banking population. You understand now? A lot of people are part of the unbanked because so that you can all learn how to be more equipped in the blockchain space. They're going to give you the proposal, the person who submitted the proposal, that's money to implement it on your compound. And once it is done, all you are supposed to do is come and report back to the blockchain committee that, hey, we came to you that give us $20,000 to do our project on our compound, and you gave us, and we have done it, and we want to let you know that we have done it, and it's impacting us. And thank you, you are done. That's all. And so that's what we call the. So if you want to access this thing, it is called Cardano Project Catalyst. That's what it's called, Cardano Project Catalyst. And so once you go there, you need your email to set it up. Once set up, you see proposal submission, you click on it, you follow through, and then you submit proposals. It's that simple. Where they are able to fund fantastic and unique ideas across the world, so far as it aligns itself with the Cardano blockchain. And I know most of you here, you are full of creative, innovative minds, very powerful, okay? And you are all full of that, and you can make yourself shine on the blockchain as well by submitting some of these ideas out there. Don't worry, if you are even talk of the idea and your friend close to you say, this is not good, don't mind that your friend. Because some friends can be being careless. Just go, if you have a conversation, your gut tells you go and submit. Just go and submit because you don't know what the Lord can do sometimes. Okay? Thank you very much, and I'll end here.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so when Nathaniel was doing his presentation, he spoke about the fact that if you want the email address, you don't have specific email address. So the same thing as the blockchain, you have specific addresses that are located to, and these addresses can be found in the Cardano wallet, which is the Roy wallet. So the Roy wallet is like that's where so that's where we keep all the monies that we get from the Cardano blockchain. Matt was saying that if you do the community reviews, then the money that you get, they transfer it to this wallet for you before you can transfer it to your own Momo wallet or anything that you have. So the way you write the proposal, you give you very good ideas for the proposal, right? When you write they vote for you and family, they send the money to this wallet, and then you convert it to Ghana cedis, you can use it to implement whatever project that you have. And if you want to change it, there are a lot of people that have changed those things. So you just contact them and then they change it into the system. Do we understand?
Yes.
So you can't have a wallet when you don't have plans of being a reviewer or also just be there. It'll be like you have a bank account but you don't have any money to go and put inside. Do you understand? So when you join from now say the app is Project Catalyst, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you join this platform, when you successfully review, when you successfully write with the money they give you, will come to this side. So with the voting, if you are able to accumulate an amount of money up to 450, you are allowed to vote. So when you vote, you get more rewards. So the same way that in Ghana, we call maybe what is one Ghana cedi? Whether you are or you call the currency ADA. So if I say 450, I'll add ADA. So that's 450 ADA. Same way we say one Ghana cedi. Or in America, we will say $1. Did you understand? That's the same way with this wallet is only ADA. So what's the amount to back there is ADA. And currently, I'm not saying that when you do one review, you get up to $14. Right now, one ADA is equivalent to $0.6. So imagine you have 450 of this, just multiply it like this. And this is not Ghana cedi, so this is dollars. Before you now kind of multiply it, right now, this is about 12. So when you do the calculation, somebody was saying you can get more than 5,000 by just doing this review. And you don't owe anybody any explanation because it's your own brain that you used to do it to get it. Did you understand?